Hey, this is an actual Stage 1 Buick GS, the real deal, not a clone. Hey, I'm Jay Grams. We're here at the Volo Auto Museum. Go to volocars.com. That's where you'll find the pricing, all the specs, photos top to bottom of this car, and a few hundred other collector cars that are all for sale. We have financing, we have shipping. There's plenty of ways on there to contact us. I have over 20-something employees here. They're all willing and able to help you. Let's get you in your dream car. But for right now, let's take this one for a spin. This is a beautiful car. I want to read some of the notes real quick. It's not the original motor. It's upgraded to a 455 engine, and it's been rebuilt. It's got a Kenny Bell cam, an Edelbrock intake, a new Holley carb that's been dialed into this engine. Got bigger push rods, bigger valves, new water pump, fuel pump, oil pump, new pistons, rings, reconditioned rods. Bearings are grooved for better oiling. Distributors recurved. It's an electronic ignition. It has Kenny Bell plated headers. Now the VIN number tells you it's a real GS. It's right in the VIN number. There's no disputing that. We know it's a Stage 1 because the Turbo 400 Trans is VIN number matched to this car, and it has the BB tag on this side. The BB Trans was for Stage 1s only. It was a little bit tweaked for the Stage 1 engine. So that Trans, original of the car, tells us this is a Stage 1 car. It also has its original 342 Posi, and it's also a factory Twilight blue car with blue interior. We'll get to the interior in a minute. Believe it or not, this car was restored back in the 80s. I do have full owner history of this car. It was a good, clean car, all metal fenders. There's no patches in the quarters. The car still shows really, really nice. When the light hits it the right way or the wrong way, there's a couple hairline cracks right in here. So you'll find a few flaws, but the car is clean metal. I mean, it's straight. It's like looking into a mirror. Beautiful color, beautiful clear coat finish. And again, it's from the 1980s. It's proven itself. There's no bubbles or things popping out. It's not going to. Bottom of the doors are clean. It has an original metal door edge guard. Weather strips are real nice. The interior is really clean. It has Buick floor mats. It has a tissue dispenser for the passenger when you make them cry when you nail this thing. Aftermarket gauges neatly installed under the dash. The factory AM/FM radio was rebuilt. Interior lights work. Trunk is real clean metal, spatter painted, has a spare, has a jack, has the original mat, so there are some stains in the original rubber mat. You could buy a new one if you want, but that is original. The jam under the lid, all that's real nice. Vinyl top is mint. Deluxe wheel, dash area is all nice. The armrest backing plates, the chrome is shiny. The seat backs are nice, has all the blue seat belts. Headliner, visors, mirror. Everything's really nice inside this car. The wheels and tires are brand new. Those were just put on within the last year or so. So the motor compartment's all cleaned up. It has the complete ram air system. It has power steering, power brakes. They are upgraded. A lot of these were drum. They did put 1970 disc brakes in front. Lower ball joints are new. Sway bar bushings. It has the F41 suspension with the box control arms. Air conditioning system has just been worked on. It blows ice cold air conditioning. The radiator was just recently replaced. Wiper motor looks new. Windshield's crystal clear. All the chrome and trim's really nice on the car. You know, straight, shiny moldings everywhere. Bumper, got a couple of scratches in it, but it's shiny, straight, nice looking bumper. So what you got here is a really good, honest, clean car. It's not a 10, it's a 7 or 8, but it's a good, clean car, not a thrown together car. You fire it up for you. It sounds great. It's got Flowmaster mufflers. This hasn't been started since yesterday. It's been in here overnight. Fired right up. You can hear that cam. Sounds like a nice muscle car. Radio works. And the glove box is real clean. The owner's manual is in there. Read a few more of these notes to you. There's a list of things that have been done. Here's a list of the owners. It was sold new in Waukesha, Wisconsin. It was restored in the 80s. That's a DuPont urethane and clear coat paint. Very nice car. Rare, stage 1. They made, like, I don't have the exact number, 2,300 of these. Good looking car in blue. So this is a real deal muscle car. Stage 1, mid-size GM muscle car that everybody wants. It's a good looker, good clean car, ready for show and go. And it's priced very affordably, I think. So go to volocars.com to get all the pricing and specs. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We got 6 cars lined up right now to video, and that's the best way to see them first. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching.